Brittany Ferries Old Ferry MV Bretagne, departing Portsmouth Harbour in the summer of 2019, viewed from Gosport. The vessel has recently been withdrawn from service and replaced by a new build vessel, an E-Flexer ferry. Bretagne's last sailing with Brittany Ferries was an evening departure from Portsmouth to St Malo on the 3rd of November 2024 and retired from service the following day. At the time of producing this video, the vessel is laid up in Le Havre. Not certain what future lies ahead for the vessel may get sold and acquired by another ferry operator, which may be the most likely thing to happen with the ferry. The vessel entered service with Brittany Ferries in 1989, built at Saint-Nazaire shipyard in France. The vessel was the first purpose-built ferry for the ferry company, sailing with the company for 35 years, and was one time the company's flagship. The ship was originally designed for the Plymouth Santander, Plymouth Roscoff and Plymouth Cork routes. From 1993 until 2024, Bretagne mainly served the St Malo to Portsmouth route daily, but also saw use on the Cairn, Portsmouth, Cherbourg pool routes to cover winter refit periods, and also covering on the St Malo to Plymouth route.
They've all just got